Welcome to the new digital agriculture workflow, integrating multiple pieces into one solution for smarter and more sustainable farming. Today's farm decisions need to happen in an instant, with the right tools and data when and where you need them the most. Pix4D technology harnesses the power of drone and sensor solutions to make operations and data gathering as simple as possible. Drones are tools that address multiple fields of application, including crop scouting and analysis through to damage reporting and variable rate mapping. With our technology, digital mapping gives you better insight into your crops from above and serves as the foundation for your groundwork. Pix4D's software solution for agricultural mapping, Pix4D Fields, is central to the workflow of farmers and service providers working as a toolkit, which evolves with our users' needs to improve farm productivity and potential. With decisions being made in field, Pix4D Fields can help you go from images to insightful maps in an instant. When it comes to crops, we know the importance of boots on the ground, so we developed Pix4D Fields to bridge the gap between the visible and the invisible, helping deliver further data to your existing workflows. With Pix4D Fields, you can access your project data both in the field and in the office. To enable faster decision-making and operation planning, streamlined across locations, our Data Sync feature allows you to effortlessly share your data across multiple devices and stakeholders in your organization. Pix4D Fields focuses on making data intuitive and easy to interpret, helping you take your knowledge to the next level by correlating what you know with what the maps show. With Pix4D Fields, you can analyze and share farm and field insights with relevant stakeholders to interpret and access, giving you the information you need to make the best decisions. Advanced features such as the zonation tool turn index maps into zones for your prescription rates. Maps generated in Pix4D Fields need to be useful, manageable, and easy to connect with your existing farm machinery and tools used in field. Pix4D Fields exports can be uploaded to most major farm management platforms for further insights, or directly to your tractor terminal. Whether you're trying to provide a better service to the farmers you work with, or aiming to improve yield, quality, or reduce cost, Pix4D Fields is here to work for you. With Pix4D Fields, create and analyze real-time maps of your crops. Tackle your everyday challenges like crop protection, breeding, digital scouting, insurance, crop production, irrigation, and erosion control for you or your clients. See your crops like never before.